Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Fly Frontier account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type flyfrontier.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of Fly Frontier. Right now I want to log in. So let's look at the top right section of the screen that says Hi, Login or Sign Up. Simply click on this login or sign up button right here. Now enter your email address and your password. In case you forgot your password, here's the button right here that says Forgot Password. Simply click on it and follow the prompts to gain access to your account. If you are not a member, click on the sign up button right here and create your account. Once everything is okay, click on this login button and you will be able to log into your Fly Frontier account. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.